8th standard science. So parts of the skeleton, parts of the skeletal system. So the skeletal system is composed of bone and related structure. It is called used for this movement of the body. The skeletal system is composed of bone and related structure. They used for the movement of the body. Body. They are divided into two major parts. One is called axial skeletal system. Second one is called appendicular skeletal system. So what is the axial skeletal system? Axial skeletal system is a consist of a bone along the axis of the body. So they have an axis of the body. It is called an axial skeletal system. The central part of the body. The axial skeletal system is a consist of skull. So they have a skull. So the next one, so they have a facial bone. Bone. And they have a sternum. We have a facial bone. So the next is this part is called a sternum. Then they have a ribs. So this part is called a ribs. Then vertebral column. The central part of the bone is called a vertebral column. So axial skeletal system, they occur in an axis of the body. So that is called axial skeletal system. So they consist of a skull, then facial bone, sternum, then ribs. So they have ribs, then vertebral column. These are the axial skeletal system. First they have a skull. So the skull is a hard structure. It's made up of a small bone. Skull is made up of a hard bone, and is also they made up of a small bone. Bone. So the skull is a consist of 22 bones are present. 22 bones. Among the 22 bones, so the 8 bones, among the 22 bones, 8 bones are joined. So they occur in the skull region. So the 8 bones are a small bone. They are joined, tightly packed, immovable. Tightly packed, they are having an immovable bone. So they occur in the skull. Then 14 bones occur in the facial region. They occur in a facial bone. So totally they have 22 bones. Among the 22 bones, 8 bones are joined in the skull. Then 14 bones are there having a facial bone in front of the facial region. But only one bone. Which bone? They have in a lower jaw. The lower jaw is movable. The remaining 21 bones are immovable. So the lower jaw is a movable joint. So movable joint is supported the muscles and the ligaments. So the movable jaw, they used by the muscles and ligament. The skull placed in the top of the backbone. So they have in a backbone, the top of the backbone, they have in a skulls are present. Can be moved up the down and upside. Move the down and so upside. These are the skull. So the skull, totally they have in 22 bones. The 8 bones are small bone, they are jointed bone. 14 bones are used for the formation of the facial bone. Then only one bone, the lower bone, the lower jaw. So they become the movable. Then next one is called a vertebral column. Vertebral, so the column. So the vertebral columns are running back of the body. So they have in a back side of the body. So they have a vertebral column. It's also called spine or backbone. Spine or otherwise called a backbone. So the trunk a region and support the upper part of the body. It's a trunk region, they occur in the support to the upper part of the body. So the vertebral column is made up of, consists of a single individual vertebra. A single individual vertebra. They have a separated bone. Between the bone they have any ligaments are present. Between the bone they have any, so ligaments are present. The total column, a total vertebral column is consists of 7 cervical bones are present. So they have a cervical bone means they have in the shoulder region. So they have in a cervical bone. 12. So they have in a lumbar vertebrae. So the 12 bones are formed in the lumbar vertebrae. Then 5, a fused bone. So lower region they have in a 5 fused bone is called a fused a sacral bone. Last 3 and also they have in a fused bone. A fused bone, it is called a coccygeal. So the coccygeal, so bones are present. So vertebral column run from the fuse of the skull and end to the hips region of the tube region, the hips region. The spinal cord passes through a hollow tube. The center part they have in a hollow tube. The center part hollow tube they consist of a spinal cord. They consist of a spinal cord. The vertebrates are joined by gliding joint, gliding point to allow the body to turn the backbone, back side and the front side and the side. So they turn in the different parts. Different parts. So what is the functions of the vertebral column? What is the functions of the vertebral column? First point, they protect the spinal cord. Protect the spinal cord. The spinal cords are present in the middle of the or center part of the vertebral column. Center part of the vertebral column. Second point, to support the head. So the main part they support the head in the fix the particular position. Fix in the particular position. Serve as attachment of the ribs. This also acts as an attachment. Attachment of ribs. Here they have the 12 pairs of ribs. They are attached to the vertebral column. They are attached in the vertebral column. So the reason for that attachment of the ribs in the vertebral column, it provides the support and place the attachment of the pectoral and the pelvic grading. So they have a pectoral and the pelvic grading. So fourth one, they join the pectoral and they have a pelvic girdle. So they have a shoulder bone and they have a hip bones are joined to the vertebral column. So the column. Then they provide the movement of the human skeletal system. They have a movement of the body. Fifth one. So they have a movement of body. Sixth one. It helps the walking and standing erect in the correct position. So the walking and standing in correct position. This is the functions of the vertebral column. Protect the spinal cord and to support the head, to attachment of the ribs, the jointed pectoral and the pelvic girdle, movement of the body, and walking and standing in the correct position. Thank you very much, students.